Okay, getting you some updates coming in. JMM leader Manoj Pandey backed Congress's Jharkhand in charge. Ghulam Ahmad Mir's statement affirming the party's commitment to provide LPG cylinders at 450 rupees for all, regardless of community or background. Pandey emphasized that the offer would cover Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, tribals, non-tribals and Dalits, refuting BJP's claims linking Muslims with infiltration. Big update coming in right now. Republic TV, JMM leader Manoj Pandey backed Congress's Jharkhand in charge. Ghulam Ahmad Mir's statement reaffirming that the party's commitment to provide LPG cylinders at around 450 rupees for all, regardless of community or background. Pandey emphasized that the offer would cover Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, tribals, non-tribals, Dalits, refuting BJP's claims linking Muslims with infiltration. Okay, so this is a big update coming in right now, Republic TV. And remember that we have this entire statement for you, and then we'll try to go across to my colleague Prakash at Editor Special Projects for more.
देखिए, भाजपा को मुद्दा लगता होगा क्योंकि जहां हिंदू मुसलमान का कोई भी एक आ गया, उसमें उसकी झलक आ गई तो बस मुद्दा हो गया। मीर साहब ने स्पष्ट रूप से बोला कि हम सबको देंगे और देंगे, जुमलेबाजी हम नहीं करते, सभी को देंगे। कहने का मतलब हिंदू, मुसलमान, सिख, ईसाई, आदिवासी, गैर आदिवासी, हरिजन, दलित, तमाम लोगों को। घुसपैठिया भारतीय जनता पार्टी की नजर में कौन है? अगर मुसलमान हो गया तो घुसपैठिया हो गया, आदिवासी है तो वो उग्रवादी हो गया, सिख है कोई, पंजाबी है तो वो खालिस्तानी हो गया। इसलिए उन्हीं की भाषा में मीर साहब ने बोला कि घुसपैठियों को भी देंगे, मतलब उन तमाम मुसलमानों को देंगे जो हमारे नागरिक हैं, हमारे यहाँ के हैं, यहाँ के मूलवासी हैं, यहाँ के वासी हैं, यहाँ रहते हैं, उन तमाम लोगों को। तो मिर्ची लग गई भारतीय जनता पार्टी को। हम कृतबद्ध हैं, प्रतिबद्ध हैं, हम 450 रुपये में सिलेंडर देंगे तो देंगे, और हमारी बातों पर यकीन भी है लोगों को।
All right, let's go straight across to Prakash Singh, our editor, Special Projects, joining us live. And Prakash, you know, very interesting comment being made there. And let's tell our viewers, and of course you can give a better perspective on this, that this is coming in the backdrop of the BJP's anti-infiltration pitch in Jharkhand. All right. Okay, I'm getting some issue connecting with
this.
Yeah. We are seeing that we're getting some war of words, a bit of strong statements being made at the backdrop of the BJP's anti-infiltration poll plank.
Well, this statement that was made by Ghulam Ahmad Mir yesterday raised a lot of controversy and cause of concern as well. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hitting out at the Congress leader providing the gas cylinder subsidy to the Ghuspatias, that is the infiltrators. And the issue of infiltration is the biggest talking point here in the Jharkhand Assembly elections, because statistics and data show that around 16 to 18 districts of Jharkhand in the Santhal Pargana area are the worst affected, where they say that the population of tribals have decreased in terms of percentage a lot. And yesterday's statement that that subsidy on the gas cylinder to the tune of rupees 450 would be provided to all the Hindus, Muslims as well as Ghuspatias. Now, the Congress and the JMM turning it back that the BJP calls all the Muslims as Ghuspatias, that is the infiltrators, and that is why, in their words, Ghulam Ahmad Mir stated the fact that all the Ghuspatias would be given these gas cylinder subsidy. So now it's a poll plank, because the Congress and the JMM now realize that it's a self-goal made by the Congress party. So in order to salvage the situation, the JMM coming out with a statement that that Ghulam Mohammad Mir was hinting at the Muslims and not the Ghuspatiyas, since the BJP is calling all the Muslims as the Ghuspatiyas. So in order to salvage the situation, because on 20th of this month, again, the Santhal Pargana area would be going for polls, and that is said to be the stronghold of the JMM and the Congress, where the BJP is weak and all eyes are on the Sultan Pargana area. So it's a face-saving situation for the JMM, and that is why the JMM leader has come out with such a statement. But the damage has been done. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well as Home Minister Amit Shah has set the narrative that JMM and the Congress are vying for the Ghuspatiyas, and they're offering subsidy on gas cylinder to the Ghuspatiyas in Jharkhand. Back to you.
Right. We're getting in some more reactions. I just want to go across the reactions coming in, especially from Anurag Thakur has spoken out. We're getting some reactions coming in from across the political spectrum on this. As we have told our viewers, the Jharkhand elections, the second phase is not too far away.
झारखंड में जो रोग लगा है, बाबा बैद्यनाथ से हमारी इतनी ही कामना थी कि उस रोग से मुक्ति दिलाएं। ये रोग है लैंड जिहाद का, लव जिहाद का, जिसके माध्यम से जमीन और जनसंख्या दोनों का संतुलन बिगाड़ा जा रहा है। झारखंड वासियों की जॉब्स पर भी अतिक्रमण करने का काम घुसपैठियों द्वारा हो रहा है, और ये घुसपैठिए जो यहाँ की जल, जंगल, जमीन और जॉब सब पर अतिक्रमण कर रहे हैं, इस रोग से मुक्ति मिले। जो घुसपैठियों को संरक्षण देने वाले लोग हैं, जिसमें कांग्रेस नेतृत्व कर रही है, पहले उनको संरक्षण देती है और फिर उनके माध्यम से आदिवासी महिलाओं की आबरू से लेकर आवास तक कब्जे करवाती है। अब उनको संरक्षण के बाद सुविधाएं देने की बात, सस्ता गैस सिलेंडर देने की बात करती है। ये अपने आप में दिखाता है कि तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति कांग्रेस को देश विरोधी हरकतें करने में मजबूर कर रही है। बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठ, रोहिंग्या मुसलमानों की घुसपैठ, और बार बार देश के अन्य राज्यों में भी, चाहे वो राहुल गांधी जी का चुनाव हो, प्रियंका गांधी जी का चुनाव हो, महा वसूली अघाड़ी का चुनाव हो, इन सब को उन संगठनों का समर्थन भी मिल रहा है जिन पर प्रतिबंध भी लगे हैं।
We're getting more reactions coming in from Ghulam Ahmad Mir's statement. Let's go ahead and listen into what Gaurav Bhatia had to say. Remember that these are the comments being made just ahead of the phase 2 of the Jharkhand polls.
की जो सीख है, अपनी माटी के लिए न्यौछावर हो जाना, अपनी अस्मिता के लिए न्यौछावर हो जाना, तो हम भी सुनिश्चित करेंगे कि यहाँ की भूमि जो झारखंड के निवासी हैं उन्हीं के लिए है। ये हमारी माँ के समान है। लेकिन जो घुसपैठिए हैं, जो मुद्दा हम उठा रहे हैं, ये जेएमएम और कांग्रेस के लिए दामाद की तरह है। कल एक बयान आया था जिसमें कहा गया कि जो गैस के सिलेंडर भी हैं ये घुसपैठियों को दिए जाएंगे। नहीं, जैसा गृह मंत्री श्री अमित शाह जी ने कहा है, चुन चुन के घुसपैठियों को बाहर निकाला जाएगा, और जो सरकार है जेएमएम और कांग्रेस की, वो कहती है चुन चुन कर घुसपैठियों के साथ ब्याह कराया जाएगा, जिससे कि उनकी माटी छीनी जाए, जिससे कि हमारी बहनों की अस्मिता छीनी जाए। और ये
All right, let's go straight across to my colleague, again, editor, Special Projects, Prakash Singh, joining us. And Prakash, I just want to read out what PM Modi has said exactly on the same LPG cylinder vow that Congress has made in Jharkhand. He says, those who worship infiltrators, he's saying those who worship infiltrators. So PM Modi is hitting out at the Congress, calling them worshippers of infiltrators. Prakash.
Well, whatever Ghulam Ahmad Mir stated yesterday, that the Hindus, Muslims as well as the Ghuspatiyas will get subsidy on cylinders, exemplifies the fact that they are accepting that the Ghuspatiyas does exist in Jharkhand, whereas I interviewed B.K. Hariprasad yesterday. He says that whatever Ghulam Ahmad Mir has said is correct. It's the narrative set by the BJP. There are no Ghuspatias in Jharkhand, where the statistics and the detailed survey in 16 to 18 districts shows something else. It was heard in the High Court, Jharkhand High Court, as well as the Supreme Court. Now, Prime Minister Modi hitting out at the Congress leadership that why Rahul Gandhi is silent on this when infiltration is the biggest issue in the northeastern part of the country, whether be it Assam, Northeast, Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, the adjoining areas of the Kosi belt in Bihar, and Dumka area where in the Santhal Pargana, then the Congress party is silent and openly defending Ghulam Ahmad Mir's statement. Now turning it back, saying that the BJP is calling all the Muslims as Ghuspatias. That is why Ghulam Ahmad Mir termed the Muslims as the Ghuspatias in the BJP's language, and it was the connotation was taken differently and what Mir meant, but it is clearly, the statement clearly shows that what Mr. Mir stated as a matter of fact, and that is what Prime Minister Narendra Modi he hit out at the JMM and the Congress combined here in Jharkhand.
All right, thank you, Prakash, for joining us with all those details. I will be coming back to you as we get these big statements being made by the Congress and the JMM just before the second phase of Jharkhand polls, where we see that the BJP has also made a very strong anti-infiltration pitch in Jharkhand.